what's up, guys? I actually got it. So this is an unboxing of the Elric Fullmetal Alchemist, Sacred Star of Milos by Funimation. Hold on. Now it's time to examine this, because by God, this looks awesome. This is my first unboxing. Okay. Crap. Okay, here we are. Sweet, sweet, nice. Here we are. Nice, nice, cool. Now, let's take a moment with the figure. I'm gonna put it like this. Wow, this looks awesome. Wow. Wow, very cool. Automail hands. It's like the size of, well, the box. It looks so awesome. And look, he has a little automail blade. Gloves. Very, silent emotion. Clothes. Cool. I even looked up a few YouTube videos to see what I have to do. Now let's see how it feels. If I knock the camera over, then I'm sorry. Oh wow, it even comes with a stand. See? And you can also see his back. See, the coat, cool. Face again. Yeah, I know it's very awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my Popeyes thing. Here we are. Wow. Wow. This feels absolutely cool. Wow. This is what it feels like to hold Edward Elric. Very, very cool detail. His braid is in the coat. Sorry, that was my dad. Wow, this is so awesome. Here we go. Wow, easy removable automail is in here. Wow. His coat from, the movie and also the final episodes of the first Fullmetal Alchemist series. Now let's take off the coat and see what he looks like without it. Showing you this. It's so awesome. I'm telling you guys, this figure looks so awesome and so comfortable right now. The hand just fell out, but I don't care. Not easy removing it. Here we are. His coat is over there. And this is the figure. Wow. His human, wow. I think I'm looking forward to using the Assassin's Creed clothes. Oh, and his pocket watch is in there. Pretty cool. cool. He's looking up. Cool. Hold on, I'm gonna try to stand him up. Here we go. Crap. Here we go. This is what he looks like standing. Yeah, he looks very cool. This is my first unboxing. Please subscribe, you guys. And I'm gonna take a look at the coat. Wow. Okay, that's all. Goodbye, and yeah. Wow. This is just so cool.